Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to take screenshot on iPhone with accessibility button. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. On the settings, scroll down, locate and click on accessibility. Scroll down, locate and click on touch. Then click on assistive touch. Go ahead and turn on assistive touch. Then should say the assistive button added to your iPhone home. Now to take screenshot with the assistive touch button, click on single tap or double tap or long press. So here let's go with double tap. Under double tap, scroll down until you get to screenshot. So select screenshot and then that is it. So if you go ahead and double tap the assistive button, this is going to take a screenshot on your screen. You see that? This is the screenshot. So just go to any web page that supports screenshot and then double tap the assistive touch. Then you should see your screenshot taken. Just like this. So that is exactly how to take screenshot on iPhone with accessibility button. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.